Afternoon. Actually, it's not afternoon, it's still morning.
Oh, good.
Yay! Believe it or not, it's still morning. It's always nice when the council meetings end in the morning. Help me spread the word about our recycling shredding day on Saturday at the Derry Ashford Command Station. Not only are we accepting documents that will be shredded before your very eyes, but we're also accepting drop-off of unused prescription drugs for secure disposal. It is a problem in cities all across the country that when people decide that they're going to flush unused medications, we really need to get the word out that that's inappropriate. It has caused in some places significant problems with these drugs entering into the water supply. So we would encourage people to bag them and bring them to one of these periodic drug drop-off locations that we're going to have around the city. It happens to be Saturday from 10 to 2 at the Derry Ashford Police Command Station.